Okay, I'm going to do some impromptu videos and show how a few of these encounters go. So it's going to be a little candid and ad-libbed, so we'll see if things make sense. So with this part, we're going to do the card 56, the 3 cards with the dot, and I'll just read the rules real quick. It says Madam's rules. It says pull cards 56, there are 3. Place all 3 face up in a row. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to take the cards 56, which are right here. Here's the 3 of them. Now, as mentioned in a post, there is this dot here that's supposed to be in the corner, and it was inadvertently taken out during mass production on the press. So what I'm asking people to do is to put a dot here in the corner, and then you can carry on. So that's what it's supposed to look like, and there's the dot. So here's the 3 cards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle them up, and then I'm going to place them down. And here it says all 3 cards are treated as separate targets. You may attack them in any order you choose. Roll shot dice normally on all 3 targets. If one is defeated, flip that card over and look for the dot in the bottom right-hand corner. If it's there, it's the real Marin. If not, it's an illusion. The encounter ends after finding the real Marin by seeing the dot, or failing to find her after shooting at all 3 targets. Note, only 1 player may roll on each Marin's test card. After Marin's test is complete, continue below. So when it says after only 1 player may roll on each Marin test card, that just means that if you're playing 2-player, you can choose whom attacks which one. So I'm going to play by myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start rolling on these like they were target cards. So the accuracy on all of them, they're the same card. Accuracy for sets 2. So that means we're going to throw 4 shot dice. I'll just pull these off. We'll put this in the middle, and I'll just go through one of them. All right, so here, any of the combinations for bullseyes will work. So I have 1 off the bat, and I'm going to finesse these 2 shot dice. Okay, so here I'm going to keep this one and re-roll this one and hope to get one of the 2 half bullseyes. I did not. So I'm gonna finish off my set with the wild shot, and I got 0. So what I have so far on my first set is I have 1, that's the first set, and I have 1 bullseye on it. Okay, so now, I forgot to put this up here. So that's my feats of marksmanship. Okay, so now this is the final set, so I'm hoping to get 2 more. So I've rolled. This time, I think I'm gonna keep this one, and we had that one. I'm gonna re-roll these 2. Okay, so I have 1 more. Now what I'm gonna do is hope to get that, and I did. Great. So now, as long as I don't get an X, which I didn't, that was on blank, so that was nothing as far as the effect goes. So I got 2 more bullseyes. So put those there. So that was just for keeping score here on that. So that is set 2, 3 bullseyes, which means I got this card. So now I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to look here. This is an illusion, so that's not the one. So you're going to rinse and repeat, and I'm going to do that with the other 2 cards. And once I find the one with the dot on it, which would be this one, then I would be able to move on. Now, if I did not complete one of these, I did not get the 3 bullseyes, that one is moved off the board, and potentially that could be the correct one. So that's how you would fail this. If you missed on, now this is the one that actually has the dot on it, which indicates obviously that it's the real Marin. Now, if we missed on this and I didn't get my 3 bullseyes, then what's gonna happen is you're gonna go over here and it's gonna say fail card 58. So then you'd move on to card 58. Obviously, if you got it, you'd move on to one of the card 57s. That's it.